Hello guys, it's me Joanne and welcome again to my YouTube channel Power of Drawing. For today's video, I'm going to show you 3 things. First, how to draw using grid method. Second, how to correct your mistake in drawing. And third, what are the materials and color that I use in this drawing. Make sure you watch this video until the end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon so you will be notified every time we have new video. So without further ado, let's begin. So first thing to do guys is choose a reference photo that you want to draw and let's put a grid on it. For my reference, I'm using this app called Grid Marker for drawing. So let's attach the picture and I choose Tanjiro as my reference. As you can see here guys, this app has so many features and you can customize your grid whatever you like. Now our photo reference is ready. It's time now to put a grid on our sketchbook. So what I do here guys, I count how many columns or box I have in this picture and I will do the same thing on my paper. Now guys, our grid is ready. Let's start to draw. So what I usually do first is to check which part to start and then draw the face or the head first. You can zoom your reference photo so that you can see more details properly. So this is how the grid works. For me, it's just like a puzzle. You will just continue to draw until you complete the drawing. Now it's time to trace our drawing. I'm using a fine liner pen from Unicorn. Now that we are done tracing, let's erase the pencil and grid so that our drawing will look clean and clear. So once we are done erasing, let's proceed to the coloring, and I'm going to use touch markers in this drawing. By the way guys, I noticed that the eye is not equal. The other one is too small. So what I'm going to do here is to erase using eraser tape and tamper the mistake so that we can able to fix the eye. We are done, guys. This is the before and after. And these are the materials and colors that I use in this drawing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this. If you have any suggestion for our next video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye!